Hello, everybody. Teacher Pete here with another English lesson from English Learning Space on Facebook or just Learning Space on YouTube. I'm outside trying to enjoy the beautiful day during this coronavirus time and happy to bring you another English lesson. This is a grammar lesson, and some people find this subject difficult. Hear it. Do you guys know these words? What is the difference between a gerund, and an infinitive? Gerund, infinitive. What is the difference between these two? They're similar but very different. Okay, so let's just start with a gerund first, okay? The gerund is the ing form of a verb, but you use it as a noun. The ing form of a verb as a noun, a little more simply, it's basically verb plus ing to make a noun. Okay, a gerund could be the subject of a sentence or the object of a sentence. For example, subject, dancing is fun, or driving is difficult. Dancing is fun, driving is difficult. These are nouns. They are the subject of the sentence. Okay? Or the object. Gerund can be the object. For example, she loves reading. It's the object. This is a noun. They prefer running. Okay? Or the gerund can be one or more words. It can be one word, two or three. We call more than one word a phrase, a gerund phrase, or a noun phrase. So for example, playing baseball is my favorite. The subject of the sentence is playing baseball. Playing baseball is my favorite. Or as object, we love learning English. We love learning English. Okay, now let's take a look. Just some more examples. Traveling in Europe is my favorite activity. So the subject of this sentence is traveling in Europe. It's a gerund phrase or a noun phrase. Or another example, my girlfriend loves working out. My girlfriend loves working out. I hate working out. Too much work. Too much work. Okay, let's do a little quiz to see if you understand. Because sometimes ing is a verb. You must tell the difference, right? Is it a gerund or a verb? Is it ing verb? Is it a gerund or a verb? So for example, you see a sentence and it says, walking to work is easy. Walking to work is easy. This is a gerund phrase. Walking to work is the subject. Or, I am walking to work. Walking is the verb, not gerund, verb. Remember, usually ing verb is after be. After be verb, this must be verb. Okay, here we go. You ready? Number one, gerund or verb. Is this a gerund or a verb? She is shopping all day. She is shopping all day. Verb or gerund? This is a verb. Is shopping. Remember, be verb. Be verb. Is shopping is a verb. Okay, number two. Are you ready for number two? I hope you are, because here it is. Shopping for shoes is exciting. Shopping for shoes is exciting. Gerund or verb, This is a 3, 2, 1 gerund. Shopping for shoes is a gerund phrase. Okay, number 3. What is it? Her husband is working right now. Her husband is working right now. Gerund or verb. It is, of course, 3, 2, 1. A verb. Is working. Be verb. Is working. Okay, number 4. Here is number 4. Gerund or verb. She doesn't like working on weekends. She doesn't like working on weekends. Who does? I don't. And this, a verb or a gerund. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It is a gerund. Working on weekends is a gerund phrase. Last question for our quiz, guys. Last question. If you hate quizzes, don't worry, it's over. If you love quizzes, I'm sorry, it's over. Here we go. Check it out. Question 5. She enjoys opening her... Oh, sorry. Nope, my bad. Let me start again. She's enjoying opening her birthday gifts. One more time. She's enjoying opening her birthday gifts. We have 2 ing words. Enjoying, opening. What is the answer? Verb or gerund? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. -1. Okay, here we go. The answer is both. The first one is a verb. Is enjoying. The second is a gerund. Opening her birthday gifts is a gerund. So to be clear, here's that sentence again. She's opening, verb. Sorry. She's enjoying, verb, opening her birthday gifts, gerund. All right, guys, check it out. Now that's gerunds. Here is infinitives. So they are a little bit similar, okay? The infinitive is the to plus base form of the verb, right? To plus the base form of the verb. That's infinitives. For example, to have, to eat, to hope, to jump, to run, to sing. Those are infinitives. Okay? Example sentence. I prefer to wake early. I prefer to wake early. Or, she likes to study after work. She likes to study after work. Okay, like the gerund, the infinitive acts as a noun. Okay, it's a noun in the sentence. But it's usually the object of the sentence after the verb. Usually not the subject. Very rare to be subject. Okay, so just use after verb. Okay, for example, she wants to arrive at noon. Or, whoops, I forgot to feed my elephant. Sorry. He's so mad at me. So, but notice the difference. Notice the difference. Sometimes to is a preposition, right? If it's to plus noun, not verb, to plus noun, this is preposition. Different than infinitive. To as a preposition, very different than to as infinitive. Not the same meaning. Okay? So for example, these are prepositions. To the store, to school, to my house. All right? Remember, to shop is not the same as to the shop. Very different meaning. Okay, so here's a quiz. Is infinitive or preposition? Okay, look at my sentence, listen to my sentence, and you decide infinitive or preposition. For example, if you see sentence like this, she prefers to live in LA. You know this must be infinitive, to live in LA. Or number two, the second one, she travels to LA for work. She travels to LA for work. To plus noun, LA, city, Los Angeles, preposition. Okay, you decide in these sentences, infinitive or preposition. Are you ready? Here's number one. She hopes to visit Paris. She hopes to visit Paris. Infinitive or preposition. This is 3, 2, 1. Infinitive. To visit. She hopes to visit. Number 2 of our quiz. Infinitive or preposition. They went to London for vacation. They went to London for vacation. This is a 3, 2, 1 preposition. To London. To London. Okay, number 3. 3. Her family plans to eat at 9 a.m. Her family plans to eat at 9 a.m. This is infinitive. To eat. Plan to eat. Number 4. Last question. Infinitive or preposition. You tell me. Number 4. They decided to go to New York instead. They decided to go to New York instead. Preposition or infinitive? And the answer is yes. Both. The first one is infinitive. To go. We always decide to go. Decide to go. And the second is preposition. To New York. To New York. Okay, guys. So that is our introduction to gerunds or infinitives. Now, the problem is this. When you have gerund or infinitive after a verb. After a verb. Is it gerund or infinitive? Well, the answer, it depends. Gerund or infinitive, it depends. So some verbs take only a gerund. Verbs like enjoy, mind, recommend, finish. These verbs only take gerund. Use a gerund after these verbs. Some verbs only take infinitive after them. Some verbs only take infinitive. Verbs like hope, need, hope, plan, decide. Always use infinitive after these verbs. And then some verbs take both. Some verbs take both gerund or infinitive. Verbs like begin or start, like, prefer, love. And I love you. Thank you so much for joining us for another lesson. Remember, it always helps our channel grow if you like and love and share and subscribe and follow us and tell your friends. Comment. I love to read your comments. I love to try and answer your questions. Join us again soon for another English lesson from English Learning Space or just Learning Space on YouTube. Teacher Pete here. Thanks again, everybody. Thanks again. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, stay connected. Bye, guys.